a Panera Bread coupon.
No.
Okay, record me.
I am recording. Get this back. All right.
Uh-huh.
How to make this simple lemonade. So, what you need to do, these are all the ingredients. So you need a cup, a lemon, a cutting board.
No, biggest knife.
No, just get a random knife. Make sure it's sharp. All right. So you need a knife, that, and you need some water and ice. No, you don't need ice as long as the water's cold. And you need a spoon. So here's the first step. You're recording. Okay. So you take this knife and you cut this lemon in half. Oh yeah, one more. You need this lemon juicer.
Yeah. Or you can squeeze the levels like a hardcore man.
No, if you squeeze the lemon, it's barely any juice. So basically, what you do, you cut the lemon in half like this.
Wait. Stop the video. Well, let's just read that the whole thing.
No, alright, you got this. So you cut the lemon in half, and then what you do is cut this part like all the way at the bottom, like this. Like you cut his butt off. Do that with both the lemons. There you go. Both butts cut off. What? Alright, so you put the knife down, take the lemon juicer, and then you put its broken butt on the thing, and you go like this. So then, what you do is you put this, so you squeeze all the juice out of the cup because it's pooping out the juice. Rip lemon. So one lemon is dead. See how much juice comes out? That's way better than squeezing it. Alright, so then you put the second one in, and then you just squeeze it until it's dead. There you go. There you go. All that juice and no seed comes up. Right. So then, put this in the sink. Right. So then what you do? Oh yeah, another ingredient. I keep forgetting it. Sugar, unless you're on a diet. Cause you're fat. No, I'm kidding. All right, so get the sugar. All right, so then what you do? Pour this water in. Right. Then what you do? Take some sugar. Oh my god, how do you do this? Grab this stuff. This is all I got. Just sugar. Yeah. Alright. Take as much as you want. Just make sure it's not a lot. Just take 3. Actually, 2 is enough. Alright, so you put this back. Close this. Then you take your spoon, and then you mix it.
A few moments later.
And now we're gonna try it. Let's get all this shit off right. I think it needs more lemon. Needs a little bit more lemon.
Yeah.
So you can make any like little other minor edits before you officially say that it's good. What?
Flip the lemon over.
Oh yeah, that's smart actually.
Is
It's stuck.
First time in a long time.
Eh.
Has the lemon ever gotten stuck there?
No.
This is the first time in the whole time. No.
Alright, there you go. Let's get all this juice. That failed miserably.
Wow. All the seeds come out though.
Yeah, no. Get in there, lemon. Yeah.
Mr. Lemon had a hard time today.
Lemons, you know, the G-Dash player, this is for you.
Oh, the seed is popping out.
Yeah, I know, but at least it didn't come out.
He wanna
Rip lemons.
Cool that seed.
I'm just kidding. Lemons is a really amazing G-Dash player. Alright. He made orange juice, literally, the level called orange juice, and I'm making a level. Wait. What am I saying? Alright, let's do all this stuff. A tool gun. Alright, more lemons. I'm sorry, lemons, but this is just the way it has to be. Okay, then you mix it again.
Few inches later.
And let's try it once again. That's much better. You want to try some?
Yeah. Sour.
Yep.
That's really good.
Yeah, how to make some simple lemonade instead of just buying a bunch of lemonade that has a bunch of what are you doing to the lemon's butt? You're killing the butt. He touched them. Oh. Okay. Have a better
Lemon had a hard day.
Oh, jeez.
5 years of torture and pain. Hey, that's actually not bad. And that's how you make the worst lemonade.
This lemonade is great. I don't know what you're doing. There you go.
See the film side.
No. I'm stupid. Shouldn't have done that. Oh well.
See this?
Oh yeah. So yeah, I made some lemonade.
Huh. I can't find this. I see
If
it.
you guys enjoyed the video, punch that like button in the face. Subscribe to my channel for more updates because I need free subscribers. Please, I mean, best subscribers ever. So yeah, peace YouTube. Topster is out. Say bye.
Bye. Featuring Wally T. Bye.